Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming essentials. Make sure your battery is above 20% and you have a stable signal. Open settings and go straight to notifications or wireless alerts. You don't need to hunt menus. Grant location and carrier permissions if prompted so the system can target alerts. Once done, look for emergency alerts, government alerts, or wireless emergency alerts. This is where the process begins. Follow prompts to view available alert types and settings. You proceed by enabling the exact alerts you need. Toggle amber, severe, or extreme alerts individually so you only get what matters. Make sure to choose a loud sound and vibration pattern for urgent notices and set repeat options if available so you won't miss a second message. Also check language and test alert preferences. This ensures messages display correctly. Once configured, the system will accept those settings immediately and prepare to receive broadcasted emergency messages. You finish by verifying delivery. Send a built-in test alert or wait for the next scheduled drill to confirm reception. If alerts fail to appear, restart your device first. That often restores network registrations and notification services. Make sure your OS and carrier settings are up to date. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm system-level provisioning or check for required updates. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling airplane.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.